Okay, letter E. Letter E is a bit of a tricky one because you're dealing with some fractions, and our fraction skills are not always very strong. All right, on letter E, I'll give you some better ones than what we have going here. But to figure out what's going on letter E, I have two tricks to tell you if you're not sure how to determine if it's arithmetic or geometric and what that magic number is. For my two tricks, if it's arithmetic, what should be happening then is to calculate that magic number, you're going to take the second term minus the first term. So that's what I'm going to do in letter E, because I don't see anything obvious on that one. So when it's not obvious, I'm going to try that first trick. If it's arithmetic, what should happen then is if I take 7/4 minus 4, go to your calculator and plug that in, and what you get then is negative 9/4. We want to see if this number here is going to be consistent now to go to 7/4 to negative 1/2, and then from negative 1/2 to 11/4. So what you need to now go is punch into your calculator, use decimals, just type in 7/4 plus a negative 9/4, and does that give you negative 1/2? And when you type it in, you do. And because that appears to continue to work to get me negative 11/4, so if I take negative 1/2 plus a negative 9/4, I get negative 11/4 and so on. So what that tells me then is this thing, if I continue on the sequence, is arithmetic. So I'm going to tag it as arithmetic. And because I'm tagging it as arithmetic, I am stating we have ourselves a common difference, which in this case is negative 9/4. Okay, on letter F. Now I can see what's happening. The decimal keeps moving to the left one space. So I can go ahead and probably just finish off the sequence. But then I want to figure out, and that'll give me a lot of room here. Okay, whoops, too many zeros there. And then for the last one, which I have to squeeze in, this is geometric. Now, how do I know it's geometric? Here's my other trick. If it's geometric, what should be happening is to calculate that common ratio, it's the second term divided by the first term. So in this case, if I go to my calculator and I punch in the second term of 123.4 divided by the first term, your calculator gives you 0.1, which is the same thing as saying as 1/10. So if you go now and plug into decimals, 123.4 times 1/10, it should start taking you to 12.34. Take 12.34 times 1/10, that takes you 1.234. So that tells me we are geometric and only geometric. And we have ourselves then what we call as a common ratio, which in this case is that 1/10. Okay. Letter G. Okay, trying to just see what's going on there. All it is the consecutive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the evens are negative. And that is not any type of arithmetic or geometric going on with that. You can't find that magic number that takes you from 1 to -2, then to 3. It's just not there. So we state we have neither arithmetic nor geometric. On letter H, a little bit more obvious, we are adding 4. Again, what I'm doing in my head is the second term minus the first term. I'm getting that magic number. If this is arithmetic, then 4, adding 4 each time, should take me through the rest of that sequence, and it does. So we can tag it as arithmetic. And because I tagged it as arithmetic, we have ourselves a common difference, which is 4. Common difference